Hello folks, welcome to Fatwood Ferro Rod. This video is just going to be a quick little demonstration on how to use the ferro rod that I made for my buddy Matt. He's out there doing the thing, living out in the woods, and he's wanting to go more primitive style. So figured I'd put this together for him, and now I'm just going to throw this out there on how to use it. So here we go. So this is what we have here. This is just wood glue, it's still drying. We got jute for a lanyard. So, grab the knife. Now the reason I put jute on here is you can just undo this knot. It's not hard to do. Cut you a little piece here. Make a mini bird nest. That's all you got to do. Just something for the sparks to catch. This stuff here was what came out when I drilled the holes. But so what you would want to do is just shave off some nice little curls. And then you'd have tinder for your ferro rod. And that's all you would need right here in this little kit. So, just a quick little how-to. Tinder bag here. Ah, it smells lovely. So guys, this Fatwood came from Brenda and Thack at AOK. The ferro rod came from Papa, Texas. And there you have it. So this is going to be getting sent to a buddy of mine. And you know, I hope he enjoys, you know, getting down to the primitive side of things. And you know, I'm there for anybody, you know, who wants to do that, man. It's something I love. It's a passion. A lot of my online friends feel the same and love doing this stuff. So I will drop a link to all three channels. Matt, I hope this works for you, buddy. So we'll see you later, guys, people.